And hello, welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about installing OBS Ndi. Okay, so I have two laptops right here. Neither of them have this OBS Ndi thingy installed, but I'm going to repeat the video, repeat the installation for both. I'm not sure if I actually have to restart OBS in order to get the plugin to work, but that is likely. But we'll see how things go. Okay, so look for OBS Ndi inside Manjaro POAM C. And the whole idea here is to be able to get feed, get feed from both, what do you call that? Yeah, you want to be able to get, what is this? Okay, choose a library for like Ndi. I'll just choose a random one. Okay, yeah, so this is let's say you have two computers, right? One is a computer where a lot of processing work's going on, and the second computer also, yeah, it's just lying around. However, you can send video over to there, and what that computer can do is to take the video feed and the term is called encoding. It basically compiles the video feed into a proper video format. That is known as encoding. Okay, so I'm going to install this thing, and it's going to install it from the AUR. I'm going to do the same thing for my other PC, and hopefully this works. Okay, exactly the same thing. So what can it do? Yeah, the idea is that, yeah, if you have one PC, which is so-called recording video like this one, well, what happens here? Okay, I'm supposed to do a lot of work in the background, maybe play games or I don't know what, and then that's going to take some resources, and of course it's going to take some resources also, some CPU computing power to encode the video like I was talking about. Okay, so anyway, I've just installed it. Let's see how we can get it done. Okay, so I just restarted my OBS Studio, and immediately you will be able to find, after installing from the Arch user repositories on Manjaro, there will be this Ndi Output Settings over here. So if you want to stream video from this computer into another computer to let that computer do that encoding work, you can go to Ndi Output Settings, check Main Output, and this will allow you to so-called stream video from this computer into another computer. Okay, and the other computer will take care of the so-called encoding work. Okay, the other computer will take care of this encoding work. Okay, so let me show you. If you want to stream video in from the other computer into this computer, you will then use under sources, go to the plus sign, and you click Ndi Source. Okay, create new Ndi Source, and then you can look for a source name. Okay, if you have another computer with an Ndi output, it will show accordingly over here. Okay, you might have noticed a bit of echo just now because not only does the pictures, the video from the other computer stream to this PC, but also the sound as well. So it's both video and sound that will come to this computer. How do you make sure they don't interfere with each other? Okay, what I like to do is to add a scene right here. Scene 2, I will call this Ndi scene or OBS Ndi. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit it such that, well, in this scene, in this OBS Ndi scene here, of course when I click on it, you won't be able to hear or see anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Ndi source right here. And then, of course, I'm going to make sure it's the other computer. So these are the steps I'm going to take. So I'm going to quickly go there right now. and now it should be okay. So what I just did was the steps before. I made this OBS Ndi, I made this new source. Okay. Oh boy, I think I'm still having this problem here. Okay, yeah, I think I'm having echo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off.
I'm going to mute this one, and now the echo effect should be switched off, so that in this scene itself, the only sound that's coming out will be the sound that is recorded by the other PC. So you see this other P right here. It's a little bit clunky, that OBS, the theming is looking all white and stuff, but it's very easy to set it right. I don't know what kind of bug it is, but yeah. So yeah, what you're seeing now is a live feed from this other Manjaro PC that I have. It's a little bit laggy because a lot of this video is actually streaming from Wi-Fi over to this computer. Okay, over to the existing computer which I'm recording OBS on. Okay, so now you're only seeing video feed from my second PC and not from my first PC. Yeah, so the precondition for this to work is that both of these computers should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and all the auto detection will just take place. You will be able to stream video from one PC to another without issue. You can even change the scenes from one PC to another. Just make sure that your audio mixer is like working correctly. Yeah, so I'm going to switch. Oh shucks! I'm going to switch this Ndi Source thing off. Yeah, so make sure that your audio settings are right from PCs. So especially when here, just switch off this one of these mics, so that the Ndi source will be sort of working. Okay. Of course, maybe the best to just switch off the Ndi source altogether, right? And this way, you'll have the echo effect cancelling out. All right. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. Hopefully this video is helpful for you to take a look at Ndi and see that I can actually switch from one PC to another, the video feed from one PC to another, and sort of share the encoding load. Okay, thanks for watching.